Hello and welcome to Chasing the Twist. Today we are going to be comparing three different boosts going into the Hudson Broadcast preamp pedal. So I've tried a bunch of different drives, I've tried a bunch of different pedals. It's a hobby of mine to buy and sell pedals and try them. It's fun for me. And it turns out that I really like my Hudson Broadcast dual switch pedal. I have it always on in the low gain mode, and then when I want a bit more gain I click it into high gain mode. There are internal pots that allow you to adjust the relative gain of each side, and I just love it. It's all the gain that I need, really, especially with a boost in front of it. So I had a Tube Screamer boost, wasn't in love with it. I bought a Tumnus pedal and used it as a boost, and I found that it had too much bass, way too much bass, so I sold that. I wanted a full range boost, and I ordered the Keely Mini Katana pedal, and I liked it a lot. It has two dip switches on the inside, one for a high cut, which I have engaged. I play telly most of the time, and it can get really bright as you push the broadcast pedal. So I have that engaged to cut off some of the highs, and it has a high boost even so that it'll add its own little gain, so it's not a full clean. I have that disengaged. And I had been interested in other drive pedals as I sort of get curious about them, and I had wanted to try the Hudson Electronics Sidecar. People rave about it as a enhanced 808 Tube Screamer circuit, and they weren't available, but lo and behold, one popped up on Reverb at a reasonable price, below retail, so I ordered it, and I got it, and I like it, but I don't like the drive sound as much as the broadcast, for me. So I found that I liked it most as a boost, a mid boost in front of the broadcast, which got me thinking, why don't we compare boosts? Today we're going to look at three different boosts: the full range clean boost in the form of a Keely Mini Katana, a mid boost, more or less, in the form of a Hudson Sidecar, which will be the Tube Screamer type circuit. And I just got the Earthquaker Devices Tone Job, which is an EQ boost, or an EQ-able boost. So we're going to take a look at that and see what I like, see what I ultimately pick. Here is my tone. So Telecaster neck pickup going into the Hudson Broadcast on low gain mode, and I have a bit of delay. And then, yeah. Now for the Katana boost. The Sidecar boost. tone job with a bass cut on it. Hudson broadcast, high gain mode, neck pickup. Bridge pickup. As you can see, the pickups make a big difference as well, in tone at least. Katana clean boost, neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Sidecar neck pickup. Sidecar bridge pickup. Tone job with the bass cut, neck pickup. Neck pickup, sorry, bridge pickup, tone job. There's a quick run through. As you can see, they are very different. Let's try some different settings on the tone job. So here's a high gain on the broadcast and a mid boost on the tone job. Bridge pickup. Now for a mid boost with a bass and treble cut. Bridge, neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Next for the tone job, bass and treble boost, mid cut. That was neck pickup first, then bridge pickup. Let's explore the sidecar a little bit more. The big difference between a Hudson electronic sidecar and a Ibanez tube screamer is that the sidecar has treble and bass EQ controls. Here's the sidecar with the bass and treble dimed. Bridge pickup. Here's the sidecar with the bass and treble all the way cut. bridge pickup. Let's try to match that tone with the tone job. I have the bass and treble cut all the way, and the mid and the level boosted all the way. Neck pickup. Bridge. Here's the tone job with everything straight up and down. Neck pickup. Bridge. And to not forget about the Katana, let's go back to the Katana. Neck pickup. Bridge. There you have some samples. What sparked this video for me and this idea to test out the various boosts is the fact that I ended up liking the Sidecar most as a mid boost in front of the Hudson. Nope, in front of the Broadcast. And the Sidecar is just too expensive to be, in my opinion, to be used solely as a mid boost. So therefore I thought, well, maybe I could achieve a similar sound with an EQ boost, and that's where the Earthquaker Devices tone job popped up in my Google search or wherever I searched. I got this tone job for $135, and that is pretty much half as much as the Sidecar cost. Right now I don't know which one I'll be keeping, but it will either be the tone job or the Katana. Perhaps both, maybe, probably not, but not the Sidecar. The Sidecar is a great 808 extension with the EQ on it. It turns out I'm not a big Tube Screamer fan. If you have any suggestions on other boost pedals I should try, leave them down below. And I've been playing around with them a bit more and off camera, and I have some settings on the tone job that I think I like. It's a bit more, it's in between the Katana and the Sidecar. So here you go. Here's the Sidecar. Here's the Katana. Here is the tone job. There's a quick rundown. Right now I'm leaning towards the tone job. It allows me to shape my tone. Obviously it's an EQ pedal with a boost. It also keeps it cleaner and less muffled than the Sidecar, which I like. I play a lot of clean stuff, so I like the option to keep it clean. I also switch between this Telecaster, which is very bright, and this P90 equipped Epiphone Century, which is much less bright. Therefore, I like the idea of being able to set my EQ different for each guitar. Hopefully you found that helpful. The Katana is a fantastic full range boost. It adds just a little bit of something that's in there. The Sidecar is a great Tube Screamer derivative. If you like Tube Screamers but found that you wanted to just tweak the tone a little bit more than the tone knob allows you to, the Sidecar is great. As for me, I'm leaning towards the Tone Job or a similar EQ pedal like the Wampler Equator. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful, and have fun.